Alright guys, so this is by far the smallest antique fan that I've ever collected. This is some sort of, this is a pretty lucky purchase, I guess. This is I don't think this has a brand on it anywhere. It's not Eskimo, it's not Westinghouse, it's not GE, it's not Emerson, it's not Robinson Myers. It's not any of those. I think there was a badge right here that somehow came off. I think it was just like a sticker. But anyway, but I don't know what the size of this fan could be. I know my new Westinghouse fan right here. This is 12 inches. This one has to be at least like 6 inches, or even, it's either like, it's not even like 8 inches. It's like, for example, if you haven't seen my Better Homes and Gardens 8-inch retro desk fan from Walmart, that one is 8 inches, and I don't exactly know if it's the same size as this one. This one feels like it's smaller, but that one was 8 inches. We don't know. Excuse me. But this fan has a bit of problems. First of all, the blades do spin freely, but I think they're slightly out of clock. And actually, believe it or not, the price of this fan is outrageous for something so small. The price for this fan, it was $110. $110 for this. And this is smaller than the Westinghouse. This Westinghouse, I don't know if I've said in that video, but that fan was cheaper at $75. And actually, this is actually green too. It has a green base, and yeah. But yeah. The cage is a little loose. The blades are slightly out of clock. I don't know if you could see them. Doesn't pick up fully. And here's the back of it. This motor actually seems to be in pretty good condition still. There's a bit of rust on it somewhere, but yeah. The main problem with this fan though is the cord. The cord is a cloth covered cord, as you can see, but there is a problem with it. So let's go ahead and take a look. Let's take a closer look at this cord. So you can see, here's the cord. So, like I said, it is a cloth covered cord. But some of the cloth and fabric on it is missing, and in some areas, it is fraying. Look at this. It's starting to fray right there. Overall, the plug looks to be in pretty good condition. Nothing really wrong with it. But if you look up here, where the plug sticks out of the fan, is actually starting to split right here. Now I don't even know how that happened, but it that needs to be repaired. I don't know how to even repair this thing. Also the problem is that it is a dirty fan too. Here's the bottom. Nothing really. It's just like a little. There's no like metal plate on the bottom of it. It's just a little. I guess bell thing. And this is super light, too. I thought it'd be heavy. And I also thought that Westinghouse would be heavy, but it weighs about the same as the Better Homes and Gardens fans. And yes, if you're wondering, this also has a little tilt knob. So that, yeah. So there it is. It's a little 6-inch antique vintage fan. I did purchase it. It will need to go through some repairs before I can actually test it. So yeah. Otherwise, it'll be an electric shock hazard. So yeah. So stay tuned for that, and when this fan gets repaired, I'll make a video of it when it actually works. So thanks for watching. Catch you guys next fan video. As always, peace.